Day everyone, I am Messel Cantos from BEd 2H2 and I will be sharing my topic which is principles of art proportion. So when we talk about proportion, what does it mean all about? Proportion in art is the relationship of two or more elements in the composition and how they compare to one another concerning size, color, quantity, degree, ratio. A relationship is formed when two or more elements are combined in a painting. When the elements are in a desirable relationship, the association is said to be harmonious. This refers to a component proposition and distribution which results in a good proportion. Good proportion and harmony and symmetry or balance among the part of the design as a whole when the principles of proportion applied to a work of art is usually in a relationship of a size. So there are three types of proportion, namely hierarchy proportion, um, structural proportion, the last was golden ratio. And I will give you the description of each and provide some example. Hierarchical proportion. This type of proportion reflects the relative importance of status of an element with an artwork. It commonly appears in historical art where the size of the figure signifies its significance. Example, The Last Supper by Leonardo da Vinci, where Jesus portrayed larger than the figures of the table. So, as what you can see, the pictures above that I provide, that was the um, painting of that was portrayed by Leonardo da Vinci, and he used oil painting to portray the Last Supper. Structural proportion refers to the accurate presentation of physical dimension and ratios within the artwork. It focuses on capturing realistic proportion of objects of figure, aiming accuracy and realism. Examples. Example, The Vitruvian Man by Leonardo da Vinci. What does the Vitruvian Man symbolize? Leonardo da Vinci Vitruvian Man represents the perfect man based on the ancient knowledge of ratios and proportions present in human anatomy. The illustrations depicts the naked ideal healthy for a man. So the last type of proportion is what we call golden ratio. Golden ratio, this concept also known as the divine proportion, is a mathematically frequently occurring in natures and arts. Examples, the Parthenon in Athens, Greece, which is a constructed according to the golden ratio. Parthenon Christopher Pilling asserts that the name Parthenon means the temple of the origin goddess, referring to the cult of Athena Parthenos that was associated with the temple. So as what you can see also above, there there is a pictures that I provide that was the image of Parthenon, Athena, and Greece. So that would be all. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you've learned some